formulated for hormonal imbalance called Care for Women Kits. Best for women with hormonal imbalance and menstrual irregularities. Put together for 3 months for women who desire to enhance and restore their overall fertility. Product description. Care for Women Kits is formulated to balance hormone levels, to encourage a healthy menstrual cycle and ovulation, and increase your fertility and your chances of getting pregnant naturally. Product benefits. Care for Women Kits helps to remove accumulated toxins from the body systems. It helps to relieve abdominal cramping and pain, diarrhea, bloating, and constipation. It helps to balance your hormones and help you become more fertile. It helps bring to normal the long and short menstrual cycles in women. It prepares your reproductive organs to conceive and helps put a stop to recurrent miscarriages. It helps you to ovulate regularly by increasing the release of progesterone, which is the hormone required for ovulation. It helps your baby to form successfully and grow properly in your womb. It helps to prevent birth defects. It nourishes your reproductive system with nutrients as they contain calcium, iron, and folic acid, an important nutrient when trying to conceive. It enhances your reproductive organs and helps increase the chances of getting pregnant naturally. You can order Care for Women Kit now to balance your hormones and enhance your overall fertility.